Hi guys, my name is Arpan and you are watching Technical Genius. Today I am going to show you how to record your mobile screen. For that you have to go in Play Store and type here DU Recorder. After that install the app if you are not installed this app. Then after installing open this app and go to settings. After that video resolution click on 1080p. Video quality automatic. After that click on FPS frames per second and make it 30 for better picture quality. Otherwise you can make 25 or 20 or 15 for better quality. 30 is standard. And video orientation is obviously auto. And record audio, if you want to record your audio, then record audio, check here. After that come to recording tools. And if you want to click screenshot when you are recording, then check here and click this button for screenshot. If you need to use the camera of your phone, rear or front, whatever it is, then you can check in the camera and the camera will be open over here. And you can use this camera while you are recording. If you want to draw anything over your mobile screen when you are recording, then check in brush and draw anything what you want. And you can record GIF also. If you want to show your touch while you are touching now, then check show touch and the touch will be shown. Watermark, please disable it. Otherwise if you click that, then DU screen recorder will come as a watermark. Then disable it. Then click on personalized watermark for recording. For use a watermark in your recording screen. Click on add image and choose any image which you want to and resize it by this and drag it in any corner or wherever you want and click on OK. The watermark will be saved. After that leave the other setting as it is. As you can see, there is a notch over here. If you click it, then this shortcut menu will open. If you click the floating menu, then 4 menus will appear. First one is for recording your mobile screen. When you click recording, then 3 submenus will appear. First one is for pause video, second one is for stop video or save the video, and the third one is for the toolbox, where you will get these tools. If you click the second option of the floating menu, then you will directly go to the saved video and the setting of DU recorder, like this. If you click the third option of the floating menu, then you will get toolbox like this. If you click the fourth option of the floating menu, then you will be able to live streaming or live broadcasting your mobile screen through Facebook Live or YouTube Live, and the system will ask you like this.
If you like our video, then press the like button and subscribe our channel. And if you have any other suggestion, then please comment below. Thank you for watching.